Hi everyone, it's Jeff here from Avada. In this video, I will take a look at how to use the Avada table element. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to be notified of all new content. Okay, let's begin. The table element lets you quickly add a table into your website. I've imported the campaign pre-built here, and on the donate page, I've added a container at the bottom with a title and an image, and I'm ready to add the table element into this half column. When I add the element, it loads with two columns with a header row and one row of data. The first option we see on the General tab is Type. This option gives you the choice of two styles for your table. This is Style 1. If I just change to Style 2, we can see it gives us a coloured header row using your primary colour. For this example though, I think I will go back to Style 1, which gives us alternating row colours. The next option is to choose how many rows you want in your table. In this case, I want 7. But you can have up to 25 using this option. Once you've chosen your number of rows, you can also choose how many columns you want. In this case, I want only 3, but you can also have up to 25 with this option as well. Then comes the table data itself. I'm just going to customize the header row here with my preferred titles. I'll just stretch this sidebar out a bit to give me some more room. And now I'll customize my rows. The content for the first row will be January, $72,000 and $80,000. If you prefer, you can also edit the table data directly in the editor text view. Here you're directly editing the HTML. I'll just stick on the visual tab and I'll just edit the remaining rows. I have all my values in now, but I might actually add another row and give a year-to-date figure as well. I'll just add my values in here. And note how you can also use simple formatting with the editor. In this case, I will make these both bold and italic. Okay, under this is a margin option for the element as a whole, and then there is also the usual element visibility option, which allows you to show or hide the element on various screen sizes, and the CSS class and CSS ID options for further customization with custom CSS. Finally, there is the Extras tab, allowing you to animate the load of the element on the page. Animations are common to many elements, so if you want to understand these further, please follow the links below the video. Okay, there's my table. It's a great little element for adding tables to your website without the fuss of having to know HTML. Okay, that's it for this video. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep up with all the latest videos. And if you have any questions or need assistance, please create a support ticket and our team will gladly assist you. As always, we want to thank you for choosing Avada.